I took this buy trade on V75 index, that's volatility 75 index, and the signal was shared as well. What gave me this buy idea? I'm moving in profit, but not really in a deep profit. More buys is expected on this index from this current price level to the upside. So what gave me the buy idea, the buy confluence on this index? We'll be having a look on all of that in today's video, and I'll be showing you guys how I was able to get this buy opportunity. You can see I'm moving in profit already. Trade is moving nicely well in profit. So I went to a higher time frame, the weekly time frame would say, and was able to identify the levels and zones and the market structure on the weekly time frame. So you can see that we got this level, this key level of support here, because we've seen how market has reacted on the approach of this level. When we zoom in our chart, you can see that whenever price gets to this level, it buys from it. Whenever price gets to this zone, it buys from it, buys from it, it buys from it, and we're getting the buys currently at this point. So after identifying this level on the weekly time frame, this key level, I went to the lower time frame to work alongside with the identified key support level. But before that, I spotted the current market trend, the previous market trend. Firstly, you can tell that this index was in a downtrend previously on the weekly time frame. It's been selling for a very long time now, for weeks, would say for months, right? This index has been on a long-term downtrend. So it got to this key zone, this identified level. It started getting price consolidate, right? And we got a breakout of this consolidation at this point. We got these equal highs and equal lows. Price was forming here, which market broke out of. We got the breakout here. Now price sold back to the downside to come test this identified zone. But at this point, we are price bought to before selling back to the downside. We also have to identify that zone because it's a sensitive level, and we could see price come to react back on this same level. So I got that level identified, that zone, I got it spotted. I went to the next time frame, that's the daily time frame, to have a proper view on this index. So on daily time frame, you can see the market reactions on this identified zone. You can see the clear market reactions here, the buys on the approach of this key support level. Let's identify it. We got the first buys as a support, the second buys at this zone as a support, right? The third buys here as a support. We got multiple market rejections on the approach of this level. We got price buy to the upside, buys here, the buys as well. Price has failed to break below this level, this key level of support, right? So we see multiple market reactions at that zone, and we could expect the same reaction here. That was giving me the buy confluence. I was like, if price can buy from this level a couple of times, we could see price buy from this same level again in the coming hours and days on 75 index. So I went to the forward time frame to work with this market structure. So on the forward time frame, we got this downtrend which was broken. Basically, this was a downtrend, right? And we got a break of these highs. We had these highs here, these previous highs which this index formed. We got price create lower highs and lower lows formation heading to the downside. This is the support level, the trend support and the trend resistance identified. So this is the last lower high this index formed, the last lower high at this zone, which price broke out of. So we got a break of structure here. There was a break of structure at this point, which is a bullish market reaction. So I went to the 1 hour time frame and identified a level, a zone, right? We got this level as a key level of support, the buys as a support, the buys as a support, the buys as a support, the buys before price broke below this level of support, turn resistance. We got the break retest here, right? The sells to the downside. These sells we got here didn't come with much pressure, much selling pressure, which also added to the bullish confluence I got on this index. And we can see that market was already creating this higher lows formation, the first low here, the second low, and possibly have to get the third higher low at this point, which would give us the buy move to the upside. So I got this market structure spotted, this current market structure, and on the lower time frame, I had my entry. Like I went to the 15-minute time frame, had my entry on the break and retest of this key level here. We got this small level spotted, resistance here, resistance, price broke above it, retested it here. Now I'm getting the buys to the upside. I took my buy trade and I shared the buy signal on this index. Our stop loss at this point, I'm moving in profit already. More buys is expected in the coming hours and days on volatility 75 index. So that's my view on this index. I'll be having my first TP at this level. My first TP would be at this zone. And let me change the color of this thing to green, right, to make it more specific. My first TP level would be here. My second TP would be on this key level of resistance here. this key level of resistance, and my third TP would be at this point. Long-term buy is expected on the volatility 75 index. So that's my view and market analysis on this index. Price action, basically I analyze from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame. You can see how well we're moving in profit. The trade is moving nicely well in profit. More buys is expected on this index. So that's it, guys. Hit the like button for more trade reviews, guys, and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my tiny viewers, I appreciate the support. Please engage in my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's go more. That was all today.